Period 9 is arriving in 2024 and is set to redefine our lives for the next 20 years. Women empowerment, mental well-being, and the rise of AI. Are you ready for all these changes? Hello guys, I'm Amy, your metaphysics consultant. I help my client gain clarity and inner peace. Join me on 22nd November, Wednesday, 8 p.m. to discover what does the Year of Dragon hold for you from a Chinese metaphysics perspective. See you on Zoom soon.
Are you constantly saying I have no time for breakfast or I have no time to exercise? Or I need more rest? If so, you are not alone. Hi, I'm Elena, the founder of Wholesome Superfood. I'm a lifestyle coach and an accredited Enneagram practitioner. I specialize in empowering busy women to break free from the cycle of burnout through sustainable healthy habits. Join me on 29th of November at 8 p.m. on how to fuel your day for success. This is for women seeking joy, better sleep, and quality time. If you are ready to improve your productivity and well-being, see you on Zoom soon.
Imagine holding the secrets of health in your own hands. With TCM palm reading, you can. Hello, I'm Denise Teo, founder of Three Wishes. Discover the ancient wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine palm reading. Join me on November 13th at 8 p.m. Learn to read the subtle sign in your palms and take control of your well-being. Prevent illness, enhance vitality, embrace in a harmonious life. Your journey to wellness begins with a single click. Register today. We are excited to see you on Zoom.
做自己的营销视频是不是你一直的愿望呢？你好，我是 Jenny Dan， 一名财务规划师，同时呢，我也是热爱制作视频。在11月16号晚上8点，我邀请你加入我们，学习如何独立创作营销视频，让你的品牌呢脱颖而出。无论是男是女，只要你想通过视频让自己的声音被听见，这就是你的机会。不要等待，现在就点击报名。我们相信每一个人都值得分享自己的故事。
Is your life voyage heading in the right direction? Unsure about your life or career path? Hi, I'm Madeline, your life and career coach. I'm here to guide you through life challenges and help you find your true purpose. My webinar is on 8th November, Wednesday at 8 p.m. on Zoom, and I will be using Enneagram as one of the tools to unveil your motivations and struggles, charting a new course for your life. So if you're stuck or know that you're meant for a greater purpose, come and join me to reshape your 2024 together. See you on Zoom.
Would you agree with me if I said that first impressions count? Hi, my name is Andrea and I'm a brand consultant and digital marketer. In the last 22 years, I've helped business owners and professionals like yourself to get in front of the audience and build trust and credibility. Join me on the 27th of November, Wednesday at 8 p.m. where I'll be sharing with you in my masterclass how you can speak with clarity and confidence and make that impression count. Support our cause by registering below, and I look forward to seeing you on Zoom soon.
Dreaming of skin that glows with youth and vitality? Hi, I'm Nonya Magdalene, your beauty coach and makeup artist. Join me on November 23rd, 8 p.m. Unlock the secret to skin that defies your age. For everyone who seeks a youthful glow that turns head, this is your moment. Register now. We can't wait to see you on Zoom.
Given the high interest rates in the market, let me debunk to you 3 myths about property upgrading. Hi guys, my name is Deborah here, your property strategist since 2012, helping clients to build their property portfolio through a systematic approach until retirement. Our Zoom will be on 9 November, Thursday, 8 p.m. Targeting HDB upgraders, condo owners and landed owners to share an overview of the property market in 2023. Looking forward to see you on Zoom soon.